Good morning, crafty travelers. Today is Tuesday, March the 14th. We are now at Clam Beach, just southwest of Ensenada, Mexico, Baja. And we are going to be driving more south today to Vicente Guerrero, to another campground. We're supposed to be right along the coast, almost all the way. So I hope to get some good pictures of the ocean. We woke up to fog this morning, but it's starting to clear. So it should be a beautiful day heading down the coast. So stay tuned for more.
They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown. But I'm too curious for that. Might be a little crazy, I don't mind. I like the way it feels. No need to set off the alarm. No, see, I won't stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone. Oh,
We're all gathered for the morning travel meeting, getting ready to take off again. The whole group. Who are you? Who are you?
Oh, I am the wagon master's husband, okay?
This is John.
Yeah,
He's
I'm
our
like a wagon master too. You know?
wagon master 1.5.
She's in charge.
Yeah,
I'm
I
just the
understand.
driver, and
But-
I drive the coach, and it's called Carol's Portable John, okay? And that's all I do. I'm the driver, and once in a while, I open my mouth. Too much. So,
Thank you, John.
on our way to redemption, I forgot to mention that I have a strong urge, a thirst for the word. Inside daydreams, I can see past the caravans, be caught inside an oyster, shimmering, glimmering, make waves in the sky, stick my tongue out, draw a line in the sand just because I can. Ooh. Your face is mild, your will is strong. You tell me I belong with the swans, dancing, romancing, cold with the sighs, keep me alive. Shimmering, glimmering, make waves in the sky, stick my tongue out.
We made it to our campsite at Vicente Guerrero. I did some driving today. I drove through Ensenada. Whoa, is that a mess? You gotta watch out for the stop signs. They may not be on the right, they're on the left. And the stoplights are weird too. If you see a blinking green, you better stop, because then it's yellow and red. And that say if you go through a yellow, you could get a ticket. I was real good. I made all the lights and I made all the stop signs. And I drove through Ensenada to our first brake stop. We just drove through Ensenada. What a mess. Lots of stoplights, stop signs, and construction. We are here at a big pullout. We have 3 lines of RVs. This is our rest stop. Unfortunately, one of the rigs has a leak in their water tank. Don't know how they did it, but it's there. They're losing water. The rig behind us, Fantasy 23, has a leak in their water. Hi, Carol!
Hi, I'm taking a count. It's me.
They have a leaky water tank, unfortunately. Don't know if a rock punctured it or they hit a pothole the wrong way, but they're losing water. Sorry, guys. Jeff, the tail gunner, is on his knees trying to plug up their water tank. We hope it gets it plugged at least temporarily for him. Still dripping.
That slowed it down.
Slowed it down.
Is that the overflow?
And we're off again.
Draw a line in the sand just because I can. Ooh, ooh.
And then we took another break for lunch and lined up all the RVs in two big half circles. I'll show you that video. Here.
Alright, 21, go quickly. I would hold on the one behind 21.
Pretty tight along the fence and behind the Berkshire there.
Alright, come on through. Remember, stay all the way out to the right-hand side. We gotta get other rows in here. So hug the outside perimeter.
On our way to redemption. I forgot to mention that I have a strong urge, a thirst for the word. Cold riverside, keep me alive. I stick my tongue out. Ooh, I forgot to mention cold riverside. You keep me alive. You keep me alive. Keep me alive.
We have stopped for lunch and circled the wagons. Here we are, all in the back of this parking lot. There's two rows, two circles, and there's our rig. Here's the second row. Actually, the first row, we're in the second row. And you can see it just keeps on going. And we're off again. This is our campsite at Vincent Guerrero. There's Irene. Hello, Irene. She's with her little doggies. I don't remember his name, but he's from Denver. And here's our site. We have 20 amp. We need some water, but we need to get a little bit of a hose extension, which John is getting. Hi, Irene.
Oh, it doesn't feel good to be on stable ground.
It does, it does. And then we got parked at our site in Vincent Guerrero. We do have full hookups, but I don't know where the sewer is. I think we just have electric and water, and the water's questionable. So we're not going to drink any more water from the tank. We will only drink bottled water from now on. Terry had to borrow an extra hose from John so we could reach it over to the faucet. The electrical cord worked all right, and it's like a 20 amp. So we do have the fan on. You could hear the air conditioner fan on because it's a little warm, which is nice. I'm not complaining about it being warm. Now we're going to get ready to go over to the restaurant that's here on the property and have another wonderful dinner. So stay tuned for that. We're at Vincent Guerrero Campground, and they have a little playground here. And we're walking over for happy hour in their restaurant, where we're also going to have dinner. Posada Don Diego. That's where we are. Campground, bar, and restaurant. The group is gathering and getting seated, getting ready for dinner. Hi, Linda. Hi, Jane. Their specialty here is strawberry margaritas, so I had to have one. Doesn't it look yummy? And it tasted as good as it looks. Strawberry margarita and Vincent Guerrero. This is Asta and Rick. And where are you from? Say it again.
Sarita, Arizona.
Sarita, Arizona. What is that near?
Green Valley. It's south of Tucson.
South of Tucson. They're at our table. And this is Peg and Jen, and they're from San Diego.
We'll give up our day job. Okay, here comes Irene, but I don't see anybody else.
17.
18. Oh, 17 is here and not inside. Okay.
Doing a night travel meeting, so we can leave earlier in the morning. So everybody's here. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. And keep watching on our Fantasy RV Baja whale watching tour. Thanks for watching.